How to log in New York and Company online account. So if you want to log in New York and Company online account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for New York and Company. And after searching, here you will have www.ny, which is New York, and company.com. Click on that. Now it will take you to the web page or the website, and if you want to log into your New York and Company online account, then you can go to profile, which is on the upper right corner. Click on that, and then here it will take you to the sign in or the login page. So now to log in, first you have to enter your email address, or if you want to create an account, then you can click on create an account, and then you can create your online account. But if you want to reset your password, like if you forgot your password, then you will have reset password option here. You can click on reset password. So after entering your email address, click on next, and then you have to enter your password. But as usual, if you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password. But if you want to change your email address, then you can click on change email, and then you can change your email address. But if you are okay with that, then simply enter your password and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in to New York and Company online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.